disruptive behavior and loitering.
Got the nightmare of Crackaxle Canyon going right now.
Thank you for your compliance and enjoy your time with us.
And now, let our story begin. 1894, the end of a century, and the beginning of our story. The small settlement of Crackaxle Canyon had grown to life with the discovery of the Silver Tree Mine and its promise of better life. The townsfolk tried to keep it a secret, but the news soon spread quickly across the West. The claims of the silver fortune greater than any other turned to the heads of every wretched miscreant and crooked politician eager to stake their claim. Not long after his bounty was discovered, thieves set off an explosion and the entrance of the mine caved in on itself. Sealed seven of the miners inside. Over a fortnight had passed before the townspeople uncovered the entrance of the mine. Doubtful they would find survivors. They did find from the depths of that mine, terrified themselves. The mine was closed for good, never to be mined again. The legend has it that only 6 of those miners were found, their bodies picked apart, ravaged with only bones and bits of flesh remaining. The 7th miner was never found, but was rumored to be driven to insanity with hunger and he ate the flesh of the others. The town dried up almost overnight, with no farms and stores. Most people left, but some had no choice but to stay. And on this night, 2 friends, starving and desperate, decided to steal from their own.
Psst, come on. Yeah, the coast is clear. What are you doing?
I ain't too sure about this.
Oh, come on, don't back out on me now. Ain't you tired of begging for scraps?
Well, sure, but you know what'll happen to us if we get caught. They'll string us up by our ears and have us whipping in the wind.
Would you relax? We're not gonna get caught, okay?
If you say so.
Just listen. We'll get in, get ourselves, just enough silver to grab a decent meal, and then we'll be on our way. No one will even know the difference.
Okay.
The Silver Tree Mine. Ain't gonna be starving long now.
What are you doing?
Oh, well, I sure as hell ain't going first.
I mean, it was your plan.
Well, then how come I have to go first?
Because you're the man here.
Glad for you. Fine. What if we flip for it?
I want heads.
Whatever. Let's see what I have here. Last one.
Hey.
Oh, shut up. Just hand me a torch.
I thought you had them.
You don't have any torches?
Well, let me just...
How are we supposed to... You're lucky old man Stevenson sells torches in the dry goods. Sure he won't mind if we borrow one.
Well, I don't feel right about this.
What? Borrowing a torch?
No, not that. It's... Well, it's...
Don't tell me you're scared.
Well, I ain't scared. It's just the mine. It gives me the willies, After the collapse, all those people were just trapped inside, and they all died in there, Will.
Yes, I know that. I also know that them whispers of the last miner eating everybody are just a bunch of malarkey.
It could happen,
Listen, Jody, those are just a bunch of stories you tell your children so don't go wandering down a mine shaft. And
maybe.
If you happen to run into old George Donner down there, well then, I got something for you.
Well, why do you have that? Now they'll hang us for sure for
Relax. So they only got the one bullet. See, the way I see it, any trouble we get into, well, we can bluff our way out of it. If it does happen to be the old marshal in there, well then, how else am I supposed to handle the coyotes on the back trail home?
It ain't the marshal I'm worried about.
Are you still going on about ghost stories? Listen,
well,
even if there was some sole survivor, and even if he did make child of everyone else, that was 10 years ago, he'd be dead by now.
Maybe, but rumor says that after the collapse, that last miner went feral and ate everyone else down there with him. And then his heart turned to ice. And now he just sits down there, waiting, ever so hungry for someone stupid enough to get close so he can rip him apart with razor sharp teeth.
Jesus, Jody, give it a rest. There's not some cannibal living down in the mine.
You don't know.
Get back! Get back! Get back! That's right back! What in the hell was that thing?
Well, that was him. That was the survivor from the Silver Tree Mine.
Would you give it a rest? Look, I don't know what that thing was, but it wasn't some fantasy monster.
What?
I'm gonna check it out.
Oh, just be careful, okay? No. Are you okay? Get off of me! Well, do you?
What's that noise?
I don't know.
Good thinking, give me that. Come here, you. Take this.
What the hell are you doing?
You said we need to plan, right?
So your plan is to set the whole town on fire?
Just trust me, alright? Let me get the gun.
Gun? The gun!
Oh, sorry, Marshall.
Okay. Shotgun.
Oh, jackpot. Alright, grab any gun you can find.
Right.
Put it in the belt. Belt around the waist, side around the leg.
Okay.
Grab any gun, any ammunition you can find. You're gonna need it.
Okay. Well, I don't like this.
Yeah. Look, we don't have much time, alright?
You think?
I think ain't gonna be very happy with you.
Oh, no kidding.
Alright. Got the rest of that gun? Come on out.
Okay.
What do you got?
Well,
Oh, no.
but what exactly is this a plan of?
We're gonna
of your
check it out, alright?
smoke it out?
Just get ready, okay?
Ready for what, huh?
Ready for that?
Well, do you think we got it?
I don't know. Stay ready, alright? I don't know how much that thing can take.
Ready.
Where are you?
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, the nightmare of Crackaxle Canyon. Your frontier city gunfighters.
Hey, this is the Amusement Archive. I'm glad you stuck around, watched this video. Hopefully you stick around and watch plenty more videos. I just want to know, what kind of videos do you guys like? Are you into the ride-throughs, walkthroughs, the tours of places? Are you into toy hunts for Disney stuff? Souvenir hunts at gift shops? I try to provide all that kind of stuff in these videos. Hopefully you guys like them. Also want to offer up, I got a free sticker here. It looks kind of like this unless I change the design, but you can check the description. Either email me, find me on Instagram, and send me your address. I'll send you out a free sticker. Definitely appreciate everyone watching my videos, and hopefully I can grow this channel and provide more cool stuff for everyone to watch. Later.